You can easily combine SmartOffice contacts with pre-formatted label templates to print labels from holiday greetings to birthday cards. There are now two different options when printing labels from SmartOffice. The first, the plugin option, uses Microsoft Word and the Microsoft plugin for SmartOffice. The newer second option is browser-based and requires no software installation. In this class, we'll take a look at the browser option. Before we get started, let's open our correspondence options. Click the Profile drop-down, then select Profile and Settings. Under User Preferences, click Correspondence Options, and in the Correspondence Method section, make sure the Browser option is selected. Unlike the plugin option, the browser option requires no software installation, so there's no need for the Microsoft plugin or the SmartOffice desktop integration. The browser option also works on both Mac and Windows operating systems. To learn how to print labels using the plugin option, watch the Printing Labels with Microsoft Word class. After selecting the browser option, click Save. Like other mass correspondence, printing labels begins with selecting contacts. First, I'll demonstrate how you can create labels for contacts in a contact list. For this example, I've opened a set member list for all the contacts I send holiday greetings to. To print labels for contacts in a list, tag the selected contacts. For this example, I'll check the Tag All box to select all of the contacts. With my contacts selected for label printing, pass your cursor over the Correspondence button and select Launch Correspondence Wizard. I'll leave Tagged Records selected. You can see the number of contacts in my set here. You'll also notice I could have selected my set directly from the wizard if I wanted, which I'll describe in a moment. Next, click Step 2. In the Select a Method section, select Print Label. Select Step 3. And SmartOffice opens a list of available label templates. Here, there are several different preloaded Avery labels included in SmartOffice. Select the label document number that matches the labels you're going to print. Click Step 4. In the Recipient Address section, select which address you want listed on the labels. In this case, we'll leave Preferred Address selected. And next, click Preferences. Here you can see 1 letter per household has been selected by default. Also, the contact's mail privacy setting has been selected. This means that SmartOffice will notify me if any contacts selected to be part of this mailing have requested not to receive any mailed correspondence. Since we're only printing labels, we won't need any headers or footers or follow-up activities for this example, so I'll click Next. And on the left, SmartOffice displays a list of contacts who should not receive a mailing for various reasons. To override these exceptions and have a label printed for one of these contacts, you can tag a contact and click the Override button. Or you can leave the checkboxes clear to accept the exceptions and click Continue. Next, I'll click Preview All. And here, SmartOffice generates a print preview of the labels. You'll see virtually the same printing and editing options as Microsoft Word. After reviewing the labels, click Close Preview. And at this time, load the label paper into your printer and click Print. Alternatively, you can also print labels directly from the Correspondence Wizard using the Mass Correspondence utility. To do this, select Sales and Marketing in the side menu, then select Mass Correspondence. SmartOffice opens the Mass Correspondence options. Here you can choose contacts for the mailing. I'll select Using the Set, and I'll use the same holiday greeting set I used in the previous example. Now I can select Print Label, and then follow the same workflow as described earlier in this class. Find additional fast classes, user guides, and live web-based training by visiting the SmartOffice Training Center. Connect with other SmartOffice users on LinkedIn, exchange ideas, share solutions, and receive weekly tips and shortcuts. Contact our support team with any questions or concerns. Please also take a moment to complete a brief survey regarding this FAST class. Your opinion is important to us and we look forward to hearing from you. We hope you enjoyed this edition and we'll see you with our next edition of FAST class.